Look at that, I can say it's a flop movie. Although it's Yash Chopra's movie, but the plot is good. Samar Anand, he is an army officer. Shah Rukh Khan falls in love with Meera. Meera, the name itself doesn't match her persona, Katrina Kaif's. And Katrina Kaif met him in London and they fell in love. But that stupid thing happened, accident. They have not shown the accident also as well. He's just crossing the road and the van bangs him down on the road and he's hospitalized. How is it possible in a developed country like London, UK, these stupid things happen where the rules and regulations are so much? Then he's in hospital or hospital bed, and this comes to her mind, Meera's mind, that if she will associate herself with him, he is going to die. This misconception, figment of imagination, led her away from him, and she just faked a story about her marriage, but she was in love with Anand. Samar Anand, and she wanted to actually settle down with him, but this kind of stupid thing which came to her mind kept her away from him. And there comes a time when he goes back to India, he's busy in his work, Samar, and there he meets Anushka, who falls in love for Samar. Anushka is kind of free-spirited gal who doesn't believe in God and who doesn't believe in serious boyfriend. She feels that it's just fine to have 4-5 boyfriends, just have a good time and that's it. But when she came to know him, she fell in love for the first time, and then the tragedy struck because Samar was not able to forget Meera even for a day. For 10 long years they were separated from each other, but not a single day passed when he didn't remember her, and the same feeling was reciprocated by Meera also. And later on, when Anushka came to know, she wanted both of them to be together. And then she said that I am going to UK and you also come along, and there I will see to it that you meet Meera. And then he comes to UK, there Anushka is there waiting for him, and again voila, again accident happened. What weird. He's just crossing the road to meet her, and again he's on hospital bed. And this time it's a serious thing because retrograde amnesia. He went back to 10 years old story where he had met Meera. And then Meera was approached by Anushka, and Anushka unearthed the entire story and told Meera to come and have a word with Samar and just stay with him and pretend that he is married to Meera. So she pretended that they are already married, but one fine day, while taking a metro home, he remembered the entire episode, Samar. And then he came to know that she had not settled down with him because of some imagination, figment of imagination. And then he again came back to India and said that if your love is true, you will come to me, to India. And that only happened when he was an expert in diffusing bomb. He had almost diffused 107 bomb, and 108 bomb he was about to diffuse when she comes back, and then both of them are together. Songs are fine, but I think direction is weak. But otherwise, 5 stars.